Oh la la, if you like the Tab S8 Ultra just as much as I do, please let me know in the comments below. And I know some of you have not even received your order yet, and you know what, I do feel for you, but all I can tell you is hang in there. It's a wonderful machine. You will not be disappointed. If you have a Tab S8 Plus or Tab S8, you may want to hang around because you could also receive this update. I will explain all of it right now. By the way, welcome back my wonderful people of the internet, and always remember, you have seen it here first. There is no way around it, and as much as it pains me sometimes to ask you, but please consider subscribing. This way you will also not miss out on any future updates for your beautiful device. Let me tell you what is included in your latest update for your Tab S8 Ultra. First and foremost, we now have the latest security patch level installed on the Tab S8 Ultra, which is dated February 1st. The update itself is around 1.5 gigabytes, so it's not that small. And here's what it states. The overall stability of your device has been improved, as well as the security level. What I just mentioned, we also have new and enhanced features, improvements in performance, bug fixes, and so on. However, we also have 13 applications that have been updated with this update. Boom. Samsung Global Goals, Samsung Kids, Pen Up, Samsung Internet, Samsung Health, SmartThings, Galaxy Shop, I assume it's Galaxy Store, Samsung Flow, Samsung Members, Samsung TV Plus, Calculator, Smart Switch, and Voice Recorder. And before you guys tell me you don't have it available, here is the availability for this current update. I have the Tab S8 Ultra 5G, the top version is 16 GB of RAM. It's available on this device. I also have the Wi-Fi version, and it's not available on the Wi-Fi version yet. Having said all of this, if you have a Tab S8 Plus or Tab S8 5G version, you will also get this update. I will leave everything else for you to check out on the screen now, like build number and everything else you may be interested in. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. Let me know if you have received the update. Have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed this content. Thank you for watching. Peace out.